Hello guys, today we are going hi, this is Neeraj. Today we are gonna learn about owner components and what it actually means. So in React or in React docs, mostly you would have seen two types of component, that is a child component and a parent component. These are building blocks of React, and for explaining what owner component is, I'm gonna be referencing this article. I'm gonna be referencing this article and I'm gonna link it in the description. So let's straight jump into it. So basically in HTML we would have a div tag, and inside it we would have a span tag. So here the span tag is the child of this div tag. So div tag is the parent tag and span is the child tag. Okay, so that's how it is in basically in HTML. Similarly, in JSX, we would have a parent component that would be profile layout, and a child component that is avatar. Okay, and how it works is uh, I can use parent component and all the contents of the child component would be inside the parent component JSX. So how it would be like is this. So here I have a profile layout component. Inside that I have first typed user profile, and after that I'm just taking the children as the child as children prop and just displaying it as it is without passing any props to it. Okay, so yeah, that's how parent component actually works. And how it differs from owner component is, so here it explains that an owner component owns the JSX of another component and pass props into it. So basically a component to be called owner component, it should own the JSX of all the components which are called child. Okay. So here in this example, in the owner component, I'm first declaring an object that has property name and avatar URL. Okay. And inside the owner component, I'm importing the profile layout and avatar component and showing it here. So how owner component differs from profile layout, which is a parent component, is basically owner component owns the JSX. It is actually responsible for displaying the whole profile and avatar components. And how it works is the return of avatar and profile would be used in the end inside the owner component. Okay, and using owner component I can pass props, which I cannot do so in the profile layout component. As you can see, in the profile layout component I wasn't able to pass any props to this. And one more important thing that you need to know is that avatar component is parent, sorry, the owner component is parent of both the profile layout and avatar component. Okay, so whenever I do changes here, both the profile layout and avatar component would re-render. Okay, so here I would show you an example. I'll first clear all the logs, and I would re-render this component. Okay. Okay, I think we are having a problem. Let me reload it again. I should have used a local React instance. That would have been much better. Okay, so let's try that again. Mm, So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna reload the our component. Okay, So basically you can see both the parent, that means the profile layout, and the avatar component both have logged, both have rendered. Basically I have put a console log statement in both components to show that they have actually re-rendered. Okay, and if I make changes if the owner component changes or re-renders, then both the profile and avatar both will re-render. Okay, but when I make changes here inside the parent component, it won't re-render its child component. It's kind of fascinating. That's it. GG. Okay, so I'm re-rendering the profile layout component, and basically you can see only the parent component has re-rendered. Basically, the only the profile layout component rendered, but not the avatar component. And as for owner component, it has obviously not rendered since it's the parent component. When the child component renders, parent component does not automatically re-render. Basically, that is kind of like a bro code in React. So let us try that. So I'll clear the console log statement, and I will basically make changes in the parent component and re-render it. See, whenever I make changes, the profile layouts parent component is not rendered. That is the owner component, and as well as profile layouts direct child component is also not rendered. So this could actually be useful, and now you know what owner component actually means, and what it means for your application, and how you can optimize your application using these concepts. Okay, so yeah, that's how it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Take care. Ciao ciao. Peace.